A person is delivered as a baby throughout the cycle of their life and even until the day of their death. They're usually in some way connected to a healthcare professional, from nurses to midwives, doctors, and everything in between. However, it's sometimes easy to forget this, as there isn't much recognition for the impact that they have throughout the varying stages of our lives, despite the sacrifices that they've made to provide care. In different areas of the world, such as our own home countries of India and the Caribbean, healthcare professionals are usually underpaid and undervalued despite everything that they do and the sacrifices that they've made. The same can be said for people within the military service, where although you might not always see our efforts, behind the scenes, day and night, we work tirelessly to protect and maintain the health and safety of the population, often without rest or even a break. No matter what country you're in, throughout the world, frontline workers have stepped up and become our heroes in the midst of this pandemic. We've given up on social lives, social time with our families, where some of our colleagues have even lost their lives trying to protect the lives of others. Imagine for a moment how uncomfortable it is to have to wear a mask or face covering for even a few minutes. However, all of us in the field have had to adjust to wearing masks for sometimes over 12 hours a day or more, just to protect those around us. So, what you can do to support and protect your healthcare staff is to keep wearing a mask, not travelling unnecessarily, maintaining social distancing, getting vaccinated if possible, and thanking them where you can for their service and sacrifice. Although you might not see it, the pressures have been constantly applied to the health service. In our hospital, ITU staff have now started working from a 1-to-1 staff to patient ratio to a 1-to-5, where ITU staff are being stretched. In order to support them, staff from theatres, wards, medical students, porters, and from many other teams in the hospital have stepped up to help out with COVID patients and assisting in relieving whatever pressures possible, to ensure that all patients are being treated to a high standard of level of care without compromising the level of care of the patient. We've banded together to support each other throughout this pandemic. The government have also supported us by providing the vaccine in order to protect us, where across the UK, 2 million people have already been vaccinated, and the aim is to roll it out to the rest of the population who want it. This is the NHS's largest vaccination programme, where the goal is to protect people from serious illness and help us all return to a more normal life. So, think of your frontline workers when you're spending time with your friends and family, having a warm meal at home, or even enjoying your time inside, and the sacrifices that they've made to protect your life.